David Brown. What a great honor this is to create a short video here for the D Brown Consulting 20-year anniversary celebration. I'm thrilled to contribute to this video montage. I can't wait to see it. David and I first met back in 2017, about 9 years ago. That's been a long time. And we still haven't met in person. Now, over that time, David has become a true friend, almost like family, and we just haven't met yet, and we're hoping to make that change at some point very, very soon. I hope, David, we can end that drought fairly soon. So let me talk about my background with David, because like I say, we have a special bond and a special relationship. David first learned about Financial Modeling Institute in our very early days back in 2017, and he immediately felt that this would be a program that would help Africans, and he also felt strongly that CFA Institute badly needed us. That's right, not that we needed them, they needed us. And he took it upon himself to reach out to the senior executives, Paul Smith and others, and insist that they set up a meeting with FMI and D Brown. So he got the meeting. We met with some of the top executives at CFA Institute, and David kicked off the meeting and went on a long introduction to describe me and FMI and talk about the importance and the power of what we were doing. I was honored and I was thrilled, and this is from someone who barely knew me at the time, but I could see immediately that David had tremendous passion and commitment to excellence and to elevating skill levels on the African continent. So I was super impressed, and I could immediately see his strong desire to kind of elevate and push this forward, and that convinced me that David was someone I wanted to stay very close with in my career. Now, David, that meeting played a big role in FMI's initial encounters and relationship with CFA Institute. It's a strong relationship that we still have to this day, and I'm very, very grateful to you for helping to set that up. What do I think is David's most significant contribution, or the D Brown Consulting significant contribution? It's got to be making modeling accessible in Africa. His strong desire to do that, his commitment to lift many, many Africans into a better life and a better financial situation is so empowering and so inspiring to me to help people elevate their skills. It was one of the most inspiring things I had ever heard, and as a result, I wanted to help, and I wanted to work with David, and I wanted to help. As a result, it has been a huge honor for me and for FMI to partner with D Brown Consulting for so many of these years. David invited me to speak at your DAMC conference in 2023, and David, look, I still have the award that you sent me. Here it is. You shipped it all the way from Nigeria, so of course I was going to keep it. I show it off proudly on my cabinet case behind me, so thank you for that. You went to a great trouble, and I'm impressed. What's the chemistry that drives our partnership? I think we both have a shared passion for helping people, both have a calm demeanor and a great sense of humor. Nothing tickles me more than getting David to laugh, especially in a meeting. It's usually my only goal at all. David, I'll tell you, in honor of your birthday or your D Brown's anniversary, I bought a couple of David bars. Maybe I will send one to you in the mail, and you can be one of the first in Nigeria to try these delicious protein bars. Now, it's not supposed to be a commercial advertisement, so let's leave it at that. What do I want to see over the next 20 years? I want to continue to work with you, David, and D Brown Consulting to help many, many, many more people in Africa to elevate their skills. And that's exciting for me, and I look forward to our continued journey. There's only one thing I don't know about David, since we haven't met yet, and that is his height. I have no idea how tall David is. I've heard rumors that he's really short, maybe 4 feet tall, 1.5 meters, 1 meter, just over a meter. I don't know. But maybe not. Maybe he's 7 feet tall. I have no idea. I've only ever had Zoom calls with the guy. So and we're gonna have to meet so we can settle this and figure it out. David, I gotta say, you're like a brother at this point. A brother from a different mother, and but we are close, and I wish you well. Congratulations on a tremendous run for 20 years at D Brown Consulting. You've helped so many people and done so much to elevate people's stature and their position and their income, and I'm so proud of you and proud to be affiliated with you in our partnership, and I can't wait to keep working together over the coming years. Well done and happy anniversary.